Hello viewers, in this video we'll see calculation of goods transport cost. Under this transport costing we have goods transport cost and passenger transport cost. In the previous video we saw passenger transport costing. In this video we'll see this goods transport cost. Okay, now we'll see what is this goods transport cost. Cost of carrying goods are important for goods transport firm. The truck or lorry operates on freelance basis, and also firm which operates regular goods transport service have to rely on cost per ton or mile while determining the rates to be charged to the customers. The ton kilometer take into account the weight of goods and also the distance travelled. Okay, the cost of calculating this goods are very important for the transport firm, and the trucks or the lorries which operates on the freelance basis and also the firm which is operating this goods transport service will charge their customer based on the cost. Okay, so this cost is very important for the transport company, and this cost per ton is the basis for charging their customers. Okay, and this cost per ton is based on the weight of goods carried and also the distance traveled by the vehicle. Okay, based on this only they will charge their customers. Okay, and this is the formula to calculate the ton kilometers, number of vehicle into proportion of vehicle operating, number of days operated into number of trips per day into distance per trip into vehicle capacity in ton into actual capacity used. Okay, and now we'll see one problem. Chennai City Corporation employs 200 trucks for garbage clearance. Okay, for clearing this garbage the Chennai City Corporation employs 200 trucks. Okay, their capacity are as follows. Okay, the 200 trucks are based on three capacity. Okay, first one is 6 ton capacity, that is 40 trucks are in 6 ton capacity and 80 trucks are in 5 ton capacity and 80 trucks are in 4 ton capacity. Okay, totally 200 trucks and with 3 different capacity. Okay, and the trucks operates on all 30 days a month. In a month it runs on all the days. Okay, and making 5 trips a day. Per day it makes 5 trips and covering the distance of 10 kilometers in each trips. Okay, for one trip it covers 10 kilometers. They carry an average 80% capacity load. Normally they used to carry 80% capacity load. On average 20% of the vehicle in garage for maintenance work. Okay, the effective running of the vehicle is 80% only, because 20% was there in garage for the maintenance work. Okay, calculate the ton kilometers per month. We have to calculate the ton kilometers for this 200 trucks. Okay, we'll see how to work out this problem. First I have written the formula. Okay, here the number of vehicle is 200. Okay, but this 200 trucks are with different capacity, so we can do it separately, that is for 40 trucks and for 80 trucks and for 80 trucks separately we can do, or together also we can work out. In both the ways I'll show you how to do this problem. Okay, first I'll do with this 200 trucks. Okay, for that I have to take the number of vehicle and vehicle capacity in ton first. Okay, 40 trucks into 6 plus 80 trucks into 5 plus 80 trucks into 4. Likewise we have to do. Together we will get 200 and the tons varies for that. Okay, so see here, 40 into 6 plus 80 into 5, 80 into 4. Okay, first we have to solve this. Okay, then only we have to multiply with this. Okay, next one is proportion of vehicles operating. Here the proportion of vehicle operating is 20% of the vehicle in garage for maintenance work. Okay, so 80% only we have to take it here. Proportion of vehicle operating 80% and number of days operated is 30 days, so 30, and number of trips is 5. So I have written 5 here, and 10 kilometers each trip. So into 10 into the actual capacity used. They carry an average of 80% load. Okay. So 80% only it carries. No, that one here. Okay. If we solve this, we'll get, first we have to solve this, I said no, and then only we have to do this. Okay. If we do like this, we'll get 9,21,600 ton kilometers. Okay. The other way I said no, I'll do it in that way also. You just see. For 40 trucks first, I'll do 10 kilometers for 40 truck. Okay, 40 into 6. Yes, that is the capacity, no. So, 6 into the same thing. 80% is the proportion, and 30 days, 5 trips and 10 kilometers, and the capacity used is 80%, no. That 180. We'll get 2,30,400. Okay. And similarly, we have to do it for this 80 trucks. So, 80 into 5. Other things remains the same. See. 80, 30, 5, 10 and 80. We'll get 3,84,000. Okay. And for the third category of trucks, that is 80 trucks into 4 tons. 80 into 4, the other things same 80, 30 days, 5 trips, 10 kilometers and 80% capacity. We'll get 3,07,200. Okay. If we add this is for the total 200 trucks. Okay. If we add this 3, we'll get 9,21,600 ton kilometers. Okay. You got the same answer. Okay. So, both the ways you can do this problem. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. For 200 trucks, this in single formula we can do like this. 40 into 6, 80 into 5, 80 into 4. First we have to solve this and add this, and then only we have to multiply with the other things. Okay. This is one method, and for 40 trucks alone, and for 80 trucks, and for the next 80 trucks. Okay. And we can add this 3. We'll get the same answer. Okay. I hope now you can able to calculate this ton kilometers, right? And I have given you a small problem, similar kind of problem for you to practice. Okay. This kind of problem will be asked in 5-mark question. Okay. Thank you for your patient listening.